Welcome! Today we're making a hearty vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is a comforting dish made by simmering a variety of vegetables in broth, seasoned to taste. It's easy to customize with different herbs and additions like beans or grains. Follow these steps for a delicious homemade batch. Vegetable soup starts with a base of olive oil for sautéing. You'll need onions and garlic for flavor, followed by carrots, celery, bell pepper, zucchini, green beans, and potato for hearty texture. Diced tomatoes add richness, while vegetable broth forms the savory base. Herbs like thyme and oregano season the soup, with salt and pepper to taste. Optional additions include spinach or kale for extra greens and fresh parsley or basil for garnish. These ingredients combine to create a comforting and nutritious vegetable soup. First, sauté the aromatics. To start, heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. This allows the oil to evenly distribute and heat up. Once it's shimmering, add your diced onion. Sauté them until they turn translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step helps to release their sweet flavor into the soup. Next, add minced garlic, stirring constantly for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. This infuses the base of your soup with a rich aroma. Now it's time to add the diced carrots, celery, bell pepper, zucchini, green beans, and potato to the pot. These vegetables bring a variety of textures and flavors to your soup. Stir them well to combine with the sautéed onions and garlic. Cook them over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the vegetables to soften slightly and begin releasing their natural juices, enhancing the depth of flavor in your soup. Keep an eye on them to ensure they cook evenly. Now pour in the diced tomatoes along with their juices into the pot. These will add a rich tomato flavor and help to further develop the soup's texture. Next, add the vegetable broth. This forms the savory base of your soup. Sprinkle in dried thyme and dried oregano for aromatic herbal notes. Season with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting according to your preference. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure all the flavors meld together nicely. Now it's time to bring your soup to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low to maintain a gentle simmer. Cover the pot with a lid to trap the flavors and heat inside. Let the soup simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. During this time, the vegetables will continue to cook until they're tender and infused with the delicious flavors of the broth and seasonings. Now it's time to taste your soup to see if it needs any adjustments. Take a spoonful and check the seasoning. Add more salt and pepper if needed to balance the flavors to your liking. If you're adding spinach or kale for extra greens, this is the perfect time. Stir them into the soup during the last 5 minutes of cooking. They'll wilt gently and add a nutritious boost to your dish. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious vegetable soup. Using a ladle, carefully scoop the hot soup into bowls. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish each bowl with some freshly chopped parsley or basil if you like. This not only adds color but also enhances the aroma and taste of the soup. Serve your vegetable soup hot and enjoy its comforting flavors. And lastly, here are some tips to help you make the best vegetable soup. Vegetable prep. It's important to cut the vegetables into evenly sized pieces so they cook evenly and are tender at the same time. Broth. Use a high-quality vegetable broth as the base of your soup. It enhances the overall flavor and richness of the dish. Herbs. Adjust the herbs according to your taste preferences. Fresh herbs like parsley or basil can be used instead of dried for a more vibrant flavor. Variations. Feel free to customize your soup by adding other vegetables such as corn, peas, or squash. This allows you to experiment and create different flavor profiles. Storage. Vegetable soup can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. It also freezes well for longer storage, making it convenient for meal prep or leftovers. These tips will help you create a delicious and versatile vegetable soup that you can enjoy anytime.